So along with 20 repairs today, we had this little envelope arrive addressed to the workshop, and opened it up. There's a little thank you card. I think in 10 years, and I've done about 15,000 GHD repairs over that period, I've had a thank you card once, so this will be the second time. But this customer has taken it to the next level. We have little silver stars, we've got a lottery scratch card. I assume it's not one of those jokey fake ones where everyone's a winner till you read the back. I'm sure it isn't. We'll scratch that in a minute. And then just a little note. This repair came in, and it was a pair of GHD 3.1s, so they're quite old, but it had been repaired a number of years ago. And when I took it apart, the professional repairer, and it was a repair company, a GHD repair company, whose name we don't know currently, but I'd be very interested to find out who it was. But they had cut out and left in place the thermal fuse, but they'd cut the wires, and then they had taken a 240 degree plain bare thermal fuse, and they just soldered it onto the PCB, and it was just left sat on the top of the PCB, so not offering any protection at all. And I actually rang up the customer and said, I was expecting it was the husband or a partner that had attempted a repair, but then I realized it wasn't. I just rang them up to warn them not to do that sort of thing again, because the consequences could be quite serious. Anyway, so yeah, thank you, Sarah Jane, for sending that. It is much appreciated, hence the video that will be going on my YouTube channel. Now I suppose we should try and scratch this off. Match 3 to win, so I don't know whether I'm going to be able to do this with a nail or not. But the thought is much appreciated. It is hard enough to get people, even to leave feedback on either our Facebook page, on our website, or our Trustpilot page. So to actually get a little scratch card and thank you card was very nice. So again, thank you for that. So are we a winner? 60-60-992. So we are not, unfortunately, but it's the thought that counts. So yeah, once again, Sarah Jane, thank you very much indeed for that.